back with another video with the Don. He's going to be making lasagna.
And first I have my meat on. I'm going to put the seasoning. This garlic powder. Accent. Onion powder. A little bit of Goya. The seasoned salt. A little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to my sauce now. Okay, I'm about to make my sauce for the lasagna. Mix my sauce for the lasagna. I'm about to put 2 eggs. Put the eggs first in the pot. I gotta whip the egg up real good. I put my ricotta cheese. And now I gotta make sure I whip the ricotta cheese up with the eggs. Now I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning on the accent, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of seasoned salt. And now I'm about to put some fresh parsley. Now I'm going to put my marinara sauce in the ricotta cheese. Get ready to mix it all together. Okay, my water is boiling. I'm getting ready to cook the noodle. Now my water is ready to boil. I gotta make sure water is boiling. I'm about to put my noodle in now, boil it. You gotta make sure the water is boiled. Over here I got my turkey meat cooking. It's almost finished. My sauce already mixed and I'm cooking the pasta now. When everything's done, I'm gonna come back and put it together. Okay, I'm ready to put my lasagna together now. First in my pan, I put some sauce in the bottom. That's the noodle don't stick at the bottom. So first I gotta put some sauce at the bottom. And now I'm gonna lay my noodle. 1 layer noodle at the bottom. Okay, then my lasagna is all set and in the pan. I got my meat in, my pasta, my cheese, my sauce. I'm getting ready to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And I'll be back when it's ready. Thank you for watching. Okay, you done? Okay, here's my Diamond Kitchen is back. My lasagna is finished. And it's right here. This is the finished product, ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. See you next time.
Like, comment, subscribe.